Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to be talking about the 4 reasons you should start a solo 401k if you are a small business owner. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So I've done some other videos on how the solo 401k works. Today I'm going to be talking about the 4 reasons that you should be doing one if you are a small business owner who qualifies for starting one of these plans. And the number one reason is you can contribute a lot of money to your retirement account in ways that are actually better than many other types of traditional 401ks or other retirement savings vehicles. And this is from the IRS website. For this type of one participant 401k plan, which is another way of another name for the solo 401k, you can put up to $66,000 in the current year to these particular plans per person enrolled in the plan, and that can be you and your spouse. That's the maximum allowed for the solo 401ks, and $66,000 is a lot of money. By comparison, for like an IRA or like a Roth IRA, I think the maximum this year is like $7,500 or $8,000 or something. So solo 401k, you can really juice the contributions to your retirement account, and that's one reason that I love it. The second reason that I like these particular plans is the investment options are really good, at least for the one that we use, which is through Fidelity. Basically, once we send in the money, I have to write a check every month to send into Fidelity. Once that money is credited to the solo 401k account, I can invest it in all kinds of mutual funds, including really good low expense index funds. That's my preferred investment vehicle of choice. And these are, in fact, way better than the so-called professional 401ks that you see at many corporations, where they have these junky funds that are kind of picked by humans or have large fees or whatever. Like, you can just bypass that all with a solo 401k, at least through Fidelity, and we use that to invest in index funds. And I believe Vanguard has similar options as well. So that's reason number 2. Number 3, you can actually have if you have another regular job. Let's say you have a day job on weekdays, and then you have like a consulting business or a contracting business that you run on the weekends. You can have 401k contributions from your regular day job, as well as to the solo 401k, up to the total maximum limit that they have on this particular page. So I recommend, if you do have a situation like that for either you or your spouse, one of you has like a regular day job, or they're getting 401k contributions from that particular source, make sure that you do not go over the limits that they specify on this IRS page. And then finally, reason number 4 for doing something like this is I think that these plans, they really empower small business owners. If you have a small family business, or if you have a side business like consulting or contracting, it can really let small business owners save money in ways that were not possible before, even with these other vehicles that they used to have, the SEP or simple IRA. So the solo 401k is a really great plan. I've just outlined 4 reasons why you should open one of these plans if you have a small business and you don't already have some sort of retirement savings plan associated with that. There's certain rules with it. Check out the IRS website about that. Also, if you go to Bogleheads, they have a great page, bogleheads.org. They have a great page on their wiki which explain how these things work. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. For more information on all kinds of topics from Social Security, personal finance, health, technology, go to in30minutes.com. We have a range of guides about these topics. All are written by respective experts in their field. Thank you so much for watching.